Gũkũ nĩ ngurumo-inĩ cia rũĩ rwa Kabuku, kuria maabitha a borithi matinda makihitana na mwikuirwo wa ukuria wa bangi.
Managed to arrest one suspect who is a dealer in bank. For the rest of the days we have been arresting sellers and buyers, but this time we are serious and we are going for the producers.
Kuringana na OCPD wa Maragua Alexander Shikondi, augite manyitite mimera ya bangi 560 na iria ikuhanditwo mugunda-ini gatagati ka mimera ya mbembe.
We managed to uproot around 560 stems of a substance similar to bank. He will be taken to court tomorrow, and I wanted to serve as a lesson. This time we are also going for the buyers, because usually if you don't have a consumer, then you might not be forced to produce your goods. So even the buyers of this substance, we are going to arrest them and charge them with being dealers of the drug dealers.
Oho niongereire kuga maabitha a borithi maricemba kuhitana na wendia na uhuthiri wa bangi makiria muno riri cukuru cihingitwo.
Parents, assist us to make sure that you are aware of what your child is doing, and if you suspect any child, your child being with a suspicious character, come and report to the area chief, assistant chief, to the police, so that we can investigate more.
Mwikuirwo uyu uikaine na ritwa Anthony Ngugi augite we tiwe wahandire indi ciamerire kumana na thumu uria ahuthirite, ndeto iria ireganitwo nayo na igatianirio ni maabitha a borithi.
Hata nimera yetu nikaonyeshwa, nikastuka sana. Haki ya Mungu. Siku kuna misega imetoa mbegu. Saa hii tulikuwa tumekojea mvua inyeshe tukuje tung'oe hiyo kweko, hata kule juu ni kwangu tung'oe Maragua.
Lakini
mara pili angalia mkubwa siku hii na kama mchaka ya mbolea sio ya huku. Haki ya Mungu nimemwaga mbolea, hata sio mimi nimepalilia, sio mimi, ni watu wa kibarua. Naongea ukweli,
weeleza wakoma ukweli,
naongea ukweli.
Mwikuirwo uyu agakinyio igoti-ini muthenya wa rucio guku endia na ahuthiria dawa cia kulevya makiheo mukana wakiigwa kamwe ngunyira niguo ngururirie na nguthererie tondu gaka ni kanya kohoro kuma metumi ndigi maguru. Ritwa riakwa ni Sera wa Boi wa Mwangi.